Yeah, recording.
Okay, so to remove this broken stud that's in here, the easiest way is to lift this to the lowest position here. So that way this lever will spin around. Remove these two here. Undo this screw all the way. That will allow this to slide all the way out. Just don't lose this little part here. That just sits in like that. And then you can undo this kip lever all the way. If it is sort of like down low, just move it up, or you can pull it out and then move it. So move it off. Undo the spring. So if the screw's broken, it'll just fall out straight away. And then you just replace it in the reverse order. And then there's a little circlet there with just a flat blade screwdriver. Sorry, a bit hard to see. Just gotta get it up, yes. Just be careful this doesn't spring away. That's the pin there. So when you put it back in, it's got the two flat spots, or the one flat spot, just slide it in. Washer first. And the clip, the E-clip. Pair of pliers, usually the easiest way to get them on. And click that on. So now that's all fixed back together. And then just put it all back on in the reverse order. Washer, another washer spacer, the nut. When you put this on, don't do it up super tight, so just do it up till it lines up and then back it off a bit. It should be loose and easy to move. And then this here will tighten it up when we put this kip lever back on. So that does that. Putting this on. Just slide it through till you can see that nut in the middle there. Tighten it up. And you can put your plates back on. That's it.
All right.
Done.